Welcome to Panindra Math Classes. You can subscribe to Maths with Panindra Math Classes, and also Facebook page and Instagram page, Math Solutions by Pan. So, if you follow these, you can get any live sessions. All will be in the YouTube channels itself. And those who are watching first time, dear friends, please do subscribe and share. If you like this video, it will reach us to more students. I hope you understand. Yeah, question number, this is the second video of 5.7 exercise NCERT questions. The question number 12. If y equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. In terms of y, they are asking to find. So first, y is equal to cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, dear students? Cross multiply root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Squaring on both sides, you have to do that. So 1 minus x square into dy by dx whole square is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. V, product rule of differentiation, you have to apply. So 1 minus x square into x power n formula. So dy by dx whole square into dy by dx. So 2 into dy by dx. Again dy by dx, if you do that, you will get d square y by dx square, no? Plus v into, what is v? dy by dx whole square into d by dx of 1 minus x square. So constant derivative 0 and dy by dx of x square is 2x is equal to 0. In these two, see, dy by dx take common and bring that side, dy by dx. So 2 into, even 2 also bring outside, not a problem. 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. Next minus x, dear students. Okay, minus 2 dy by dx, bring outside. The remaining is we have into dy by dx is equal to 0. That value bring this side. You will get 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. So 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to x into dy by dx. What is dy by dx value from here? In terms of y alone, they are asking, no. See, that implies dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. After that, y is equal to cos inverse x. That implies x is equal to cos y. So in place of x, cos y, if you substitute, 1 minus cos square y is sin y only, no? So wherever dy by dx is there, minus 1 by sin y, you have to write it. So d square y by dx square, and also calculate, dear students, 1 minus x square value also. 1 minus cos square y, that is equal to sin square y. Separately calculated, dear students, these two values. So equal to x into dy by dx value is what? Minus 1 by sin y into x value is also what? X is equal to, here I wrote cos y. Here cos y I am writing. Into 1 minus x square, here I am writing 1 minus sin square x square value is sin square y. Okay. So in terms of cos y by sin y, otherwise minus cos y, here we will write it as minus cos y divided by sin y into sin square y. That is also minus cot y into 1 by sin square y is cosecant square y. So d square y by dx square in terms of y alone means this only. In terms of y only we wrote. In terms of y alone means this is the result, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to another question. Here the question is y equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. You keep it as equation number 1. So in terms of y2, y1 is given. So in place of dy by dx I am writing as y1. In place of d square y by dx square I am writing as y2. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is y1. 3 into dy dx of cos of log x minus sin of log x. Again log x derivative is 1 by x only now. Plus 4 into sin of log x derivative is cos of log x. Again log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x take common and will bring this side. xy1 is equal to minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Okay, dear students? Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. UV formula. X into y1 derivative is y2. y1 into x derivative is 1 is equal to minus 3 into sin of log x derivative is cos of log x. Again log x derivative is 1 by x plus 4 into cos of log x derivative is minus sin of log x. Again log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x bring that sign. That means x into xy2 plus y1 is equal to minus I am taking common 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Are you able to understand, students? From equation 1, since from equation 1, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x value is equal to 1 from this. So which is equal to minus y. X into x is x square y2 plus x y1. So that minus y also bring this sign. You will get x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Hence proved. Only there. move to another question. If y equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx, then show that sorry for the interruption. D square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny equal to 0. That is one question, dear students. Question number 15. If y equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, then show that d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. So they are asking to show these two results, dear students. So the first result, first y equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx, you take it as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1, that means dy by dx. So according to the question, you can follow, dear students. A into e power mx, d by dx of e power ax is a e power ax. So m into e power mx plus b into e power nx derivative is n into e power nx. So from these two, this is equation number 1. And again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square a m square into e power mx plus b n square e power nx. Equation number 2, equation number 3. From these three equations, we need to eliminate the arbitrary constants. In what way we can do? Anyone? Just make a comment. We can do it as it is taking LHS and getting RHS, but it is not the criteria. Any. From these two, from 1, 2 and 3, eliminate arbitrary constants a comma b, then determinant of here y, here a coefficient you have to write it, e power mx, okay. Next e power nx, next here dy by dx, here m into e power mx, m into e power nx, even here also d square y by dx square, m square e power mx, n square e power nx is equal to 0. You know how to do this. So that implies that y into mn square e power m plus n into x minus m square e power m plus n into x. Next plus e power mx. It will take, I think, time. It will take much time to solve this one. It will take. We will do in this, otherwise taking LHS and getting RHS, we will do it. So y into mn square minus nm square plus 1 into n square into dy by dx minus n into d square y by dx square minus 1 into m square into dy by dx minus m into d square y by dx square equal to 0. So y into mn, if you take common, here n minus m will be there. In this n square dy by dx or m square. From these two also, n minus m into n plus m into dy by dx. Next, minus into minus plus. Now, from these two, take common plus, we will write. What value will become here common? Plus m minus n. M minus n into d square y by dx square equal to 0. So what will be common from this? N minus m will take common throughout mn into y. From this also n plus m into dy by dx plus, if you take common n minus m, here minus is there, no distance, minus d square y by dx square is equal to 0. N minus m, bring this side. First quadratic equation, quadratic term, minus d square by dx square plus m into dy by dx plus mny equal to 0. Here n minus m, no? mn common means m minus m. M minus m will be there. Here also m minus m. So these two plus, so this will be minus. This minus means, so multiplying by minus, you will get d square y by dx square minus of m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y mn square minus mn square nm square. We are taking common mn means n minus m only, no? Okay. So hence the result is these two. Why? Because from these two we are taking common n square and n minus n into n plus n divided by x is over. From these two minus into minus will come plus m minus n d square y by dx square. Here n minus m if you take common here minus will be there. Throughout multiplying minus. Here minus is there. Sorry, yes, minus is there means okay. Here already minus is there means minus into minus plus n square minus n. Okay. This is only difference, your answer. Minus into minus is plus. Otherwise, these values also will take minus values, it will be there. Getting answer. You will. Next come to here. If y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. So y equal to 500 into e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 7x. Equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to 500 into 7 e power 7x. dy by dx of e power 7x is 7 into e power 7x. 600 into minus 7 into e power minus 7x. So dy by dx equal to 3005. Otherwise we can write like this: 500 into 7 e power 7x. 7 you take common better. Minus 600 e power minus 7x. Again you have to differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x. D square y by dx square, okay, is equal to 7 into 500 into 7 e power 7x minus 600 into e power minus 7x is minus 7 into e power minus 7x. 7 take out common. 7 square into 500 into e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 7x. This value is equal to, from equation 1, is equal to y. So 49, 7 square means 41, 49 into y. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. They are asking to prove this result only, hence proved. Even, dear students, if you have not clarity on this, these values bring this side, then eliminating means all minus will come here also. So that time this little changes will be there. We will discuss again this question. It's not a problem. At last again I will discuss. I'll keep it like this only, the question. Once again I will go with that. Question number 16. If e power x into, e power y, e power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, show that d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx whole square. Next, question number 17. If y equal to tan inverse x whole square, show that x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2. So this result we are going to do that. See, first come to here, question number 16. So e power y is equal to 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. So e power y derivative is e power y. Again y derivative is dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus 1. What is the value of e power x plus y? This one we know. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus 1 into 1 by e power y. From this also, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by e power y only know. So 1 by x plus 1 into 1 by e power y is x plus 1 only know. So dy by dx we got it. D square y by dx square. Again differentiate with respect to x. Better to prove other than 0. Why? Because if you do like this way, you will get zeros. No, 0 also we can prove, but this is not the way we can. Again differentiate with respect to x. UV formula we can go. UV e power y into dy by dx plus dy by dx derivative is d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by x plus 1 derivative is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, dear students. E power y into dy by dx, this value is that only, no? 1 by x plus 1 plus d square y by dx square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Sorry dear students, here I forgot to differentiate twice. Here UV formula we can apply now. UV formula. This is u, this is v. U e power y derivative is e power y. Sorry, u we are keeping there, and dy by dx derivative is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into e power y derivative is e power y into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. In this, e power y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. They are asking to prove this result, na? E power y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into, here e power y bring this side means 1 by x plus 1. So one of the, so that is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Again 1 by x plus 1 value is e power y. E power y. They are asking to prove these both results are equal. D square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. From this result probably good. Previous step only better. We will do it e power y into dy by dx minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into 1 by e power y means x plus 1. dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Equation number 2. Again differentiate with respect to x. D square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 derivative is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Am I right? So 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This we can write it as minus into minus is there, no? So minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This value is dy by dx, no? This is the way you can do it. It is easy, dear students. Wantedly they are giving like this to make some confusions. dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Again differentiate. D square by dx square equal to minus, we take out common. 1 by x means minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So minus into minus plus, we can write like this. After that, minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 by x plus 1 value we can write it as dy by dx now. So they are asking to prove this result, hence they proved. Okay, dear students. Even myself also wantedly I am to make you understand step by step. Wantedly I am rubbing this and doing same concepts. So how the student will feel when in any step difficulty, if the student will feel. So come here, y equal to tan inverse x whole square. So first differentiate with respect to x. y1 equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Again tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Am I right? So cross multiplying 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So UV formula 1 plus x square into y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into 1 plus x square derivative is 2x is equal to 2 into tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So cross multiply 1 plus x square whole square into y2 plus 1 plus x square into 2xy1 is equal to 2. They are asking to prove this result only, no? Hence proved. Okay, again I am going to prove this result, dear students. Last question. Within 5 minutes, we are going to end the session. I hope everyone understand. First, y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Keep it as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Method 1, method 2 will do it. Again differentiate with respect to x. y1 equal to a m e power mx plus b n e power nx. Again differentiate with respect to x. So y2 equal to a m square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. So solving 1, 2 and 3 by eliminating the constants. Eliminating the constants a and b, eliminating the constants a and b, then we have, so this procedure first I am following. Y2 means what, dear students? D square y by dx square only, no? Y1 means dy by dx, okay? So determinant is equal to, here y, these values bring inside means, otherwise keep it like this only. A e power mx, b e power nx coefficients only we can write at 1, 1. Here also m, n. Here it is y1, m, n. Here y2, n square, n square. So get 0. You know the plus minus plus how to expand? Y into mn square minus nm square minus 1 into y1 n square minus n y2 plus 1 into y1 m square minus m y2 is equal to 0. That implies mn take common y into n minus m. Next minus y1 m square plus n y2 plus y1 m square minus m y2 is equal to 0. So that implies mn into y into n minus m. From these two, minus take common y1 into n square minus n square, no. So n minus m into n plus m. Next from these two, y2 we are taking common, n minus m is equal to 0. So n minus m take common, n minus m ymn minus y1 into m plus n plus y2 is equal to 0. So n minus m, bring this sign, you will get ymn minus y1 into m plus n plus y2 equal to 0. That is, y2 means first y2 minus y1 into m plus n plus y into mn. That is, y2 means what? D square y by dx square minus dy by dx into m plus n plus ymn is equal to 0. Otherwise, alternate method, how to do? This is by eliminating arbitrary constants a, b from these equations. A e power mx coefficient, b e power mx coefficient in this equation, a e power mx coefficient m, n. Here m square, like this way we did it. Otherwise, you can take LHS. After getting these three steps, LHS d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m and y is equal to that value. D square y by dx is value you know, a m square e power mx plus b n square e power mx plus m plus m into dy by dx. A m into e power mx plus b n into e power nx plus m n into y. A e power mx plus b e power nx. A m square e power mx plus b n square e power mx. First multiply with m. am square, here minus the students, minus am square e power mx minus amn e power mx minus bmn e power nx minus bmn e power bn square e power nx. Now next here plus amn e power mx plus bmn e power nx. Here we miss am square, amn minus m into this value. This is over. Next minus m into n. This is also over. Next minus m into m square. Here is not there. Minus am square. Minus this is also over. Minus am square e power mx. So this is the first one. Minus mn b e power mx is not there. Minus b mn e power nx. Minus am square e power mx is over. Minus am that means amn e power mx is also over. Next minus m into b into n e power n, this is over. Next minus n into m square into b into e power x, this is also over. Next mn a e power mx e power x. So now am square e power mx, am square e power mx cancel, bn square e power mx e power mx, bn square e power mx. Mx where it comes, m square e power x. Here mx, here minus am equal x minus, these two will be cancelled. These two only. This is e power nx, dear students. So that's all. That is right. E power nx. Sorry, not here. Here and here. This is nx, not e power x. So ultimately 0. This is required RHS. So little confusion will be there while calculating. Observe carefully. Two methods I have given. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Thank you for your support. So till this exercise 5C NCERT, this differentiability is over. This question I did in previous time also in this video, but two methods I have given, either this one or this one you can conclude. Thank you, dear students. Jai Hind, Panindra Math Classes. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you all.